cheerleaders in school are required to register before they come on campus? That doesn't make sense at all. What's going on down there in Clemson? Ainsley, let's ask your husband about that. He went to Clemson. Well, one lucky dog narrowly escaping death on a dirt track. Watch this. The dog walking straight onto a racetrack. This happened in Bolivia, just around the corner. A speeding rally car, but it miraculously hit the bump in the road, jumping right over the dog. The lucky canine surviving without a scratch. Thank goodness for that. And those are your headlines. Wow.
I think that was a setup.
That's not a prayer story. No one can tell me when and when I can't pray. I can be praying for you right now. I don't have to be like vocal about it. I'm praying right now.
If it's a movie, you could get in trouble. This is not a free speech.
I hope it's a free speech zone. We're going to have trouble with the rest of the show.
All right, thank you, Adam.
All right, let's change gears.